adventure.
It's discovery.
Passion.
Unpredictable.
I like it.
Hi, I'm Claire. I'm the nutritionist for Ella's Kitchen. We think weaning should be a really fun and messy experience for babies and for mums and dads. So we've created this Weeny Weaning channel to give parents the opportunity to learn lots about weaning, but also to see how other mums and dads got on with their weaning journey in their little ones.
Hiya, I'm Al, and this is Ted.
Hi, I'm Naomi, and this is Alma.
You broke it.
Hi, I'm Laura, this is Leonard and this is Ezra.
Hi, I'm Poppy and this is Molly and I'm here to talk about weaning. Got bibs, a lot of bibs. Yeah, have a laugh with it.
Don't get too stressed.
But make it a real experience rather than just something that has to be done.
You sing some songs, play some games.
In one word. Okay, maybe stand for us. In one word, weaning. No, what was it?